Hello everybody, and welcome to section 2 of Unit 4, the Triangle Inequality Theorem. This is a very quick section, so this won't take very long. The concept is that when you take three sides of a triangle, okay, these three sides, if you take two of them and add them together, their sum has to be greater than the third side, okay? That's the only way it works. So an example would be, let's say you have a side here. Actually, let's a little bit more specific here. So let's make this side, let's make this 2 inches long. So we're going to go from here to here. So that's 2 inches, right? And then we're going to have another side that's 1 inch, right? Okay, that's 1 inch. And then another side that's another 1 inch. So what you end up having is three sides. One's 2 inches long. This is 1. That's 1. This is 2. Okay? If you take these two sides that are smaller and tilt them up, they will not be connected. It'll be too short. So what would end up happening is you have something that would look like this. Right? Let's see if I can kind of do this. Right? They won't connect. There'll be a gap here. Okay? It can't make a triangle that way. You need to have their sum of two sides be greater than the third remaining side. So let me show you what I mean here. So let's say we have these three sides, 4, 9, and 12. You want to see if they could form a triangle. Well, all you need to do is take the two smallest sides, which in this case is 4 and 9, add those together. That gives us 13. That is greater than the third remaining side, so therefore, yes, it could be a triangle. Okay? How about these, 3, 5, and 10? The two smallest sides, 3 and 5. 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 is smaller than 10, so no, it cannot be a triangle. Then we have 2 tenths, 1 and 4 tenths, and 1 and 7 tenths. The two smallest sides are right here. So 1 and 4 tenths plus 2 tenths rather, is 1 and 6 tenths, which is smaller than 1 and 7 tenths, so no, that could not be a triangle. Okay? Let's go ahead and try these out. Now, you're given two sides, and you're asked what is the range of possibilities for the third remaining side if this was a triangle. It's really straightforward. You're going to add, subtract. That's all we're doing here. So we're going to do 10 plus 14. That gives us 24. That's our high. Then we're going to subtract big minus small. So 14 take away 10. That's going to be 4. That's our small. So it's going to be greater than 4, but less than 24. That's the range of sides. But let's try that again. So 12, 203, and something else. So we're going to take 203 and subtract 12 from it. So 191. That's going to be the big. No, so that's going to be the small. The big is going to be 203 plus 12. That's 225. So the third side has to be between these two values. It has to be larger than 191 and smaller than 225. Okay. Last one, we're going to add them together. So 10 and 5 tenths plus 3 and 5 tenths. So we're going to get 14. So the big is 14. And let's do the small. So 10 and a half minus 3 and a half. It's going to equal 7. So it's greater than 7 and less than 14. Okay, that's it. That's the triangle inequality theorem. It's a pretty straightforward topic. I don't anticipate to give us many questions. So if you have any questions, though, feel free to ask me, and thanks for watching. See you guys.